Hey, what's up YouTube? So this video is about on how to replace your dead battery on a Toyota keyless entry remote, but this key is specifically for Toyota Prius, but you know, all Toyotas have mostly the same key fob. So first thing you'll do is get a any picking tool, and the battery you'll need is a this kind of battery, CR1632. Okay, so take the key out. You see this slot right here? Use this flat head and just twist your key. There you go. Set this one aside. Use your picking tool, whatever you choose. Just be gentle, okay? Once it's out, see the battery right there? Use your picking tool again to move it out of place. But this battery is new. I just did this video to help you guys out if you need on how to replace your battery. Put this back in right there. Make sure this two buttons right here are aligned with the Toyota logo. Okay, so this way. Once it's in place, put the other case back on. There you have it. New battery. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Press the like button.